Hey guys, it's Joe at the Auction Barn. Got a 1996 International 4900 tool carrier. The batteries are bad on it, and so we've jumped it. I've had it running for the last probably 15 minutes or so to try and give a little juice in the batteries so we can actually drive it. See if we can get a little bit of air in here. Well, there's something. It needs a new fan. Got something jammed up in the fan. The starter switch also, I've noticed, needs to be replaced. If you don't turn it just right, it'll just click on and off trying to start it. You got to hold it just right and then it'll engage and fire up. Started pretty good once we got that going. Can't tell. I don't think the AC is working, so I'm going to roll the window down. And see if we can get you a little bit of a test drive. 167,738 miles on it. 21,000 hours.